So we are in Christchurch somewhere, the Priory. Here it is right here.
Last time we couldn't get in, so I'm making it my mission to get in this time.
Yeah, and you're newly baptised. This is where we are.
Wait, it's like dun, 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 dun. That's all I remember.
What?
Ooh, ooh. Oh.
I'm going to fucking the bird then.
He's lost it. That's a nice building there. Oh, watch out guys, watch out. Ooh, look at that. That fire assembly point sign ruins it a bit, doesn't it? The Great Tail Trail. Information.
Is that the other? I want to see if I still got it. Let's do like that. Hey. Oh. That was good. We'll do it. We'll dap up in the church because that would be really good if you still.
Hey, look, that tree has a sign on it. Peter. Oh, the bells! The bells! Yeah. Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it?
There she goes.
Went to the zoo the other day.
Saw an elephant's buttocks.
Oh my word. Oh, could have sworn Holly came through here.
Dad, you not surrounded?
Whoa! How did you do that?
I was behind you. How's that?
No, you were in front of me. I saw you. Very grand and gothic. Good God, I'm recording with my glasses. No, Holly, look. Hey. It's beautiful, isn't it?
I'm so shaky, jeez. Ah, it's
Down this way. It's a beautiful church though, isn't it? Look at this, Holly. Who are these people?
I tried to say Childock, so
Did you?
Eliza, the wife of Edward Sweet Elliot. I'm guessing that is them. I knew that was.
Redeemer liveth.
Oh, I thought that's a woman.
It's crazy that their actual bodies are in there. Wow, look at those flags.
Some people from my class have been there, 2 people.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I think they meant cake. But they said coke.
Holly, look.
Yeah.
These are tiny Bibles with metal cases.
That's cool. I thought the writing was already small.
Yeah. It's another tomb, I think. Does it work? Oh my god, it still works. Oh!
Oh, it hurt. I don't think I can.
After 3, right, go real down. 1, 2, 3, and then bounce, yeah? 1, 2, 3. You've got to feel it. No, what are you doing?
Well, then you
Help
can
me
support her after she's done
No,
that.
wait, from the hips, from the hips.
Hips up.
3, 2, 1, dip. Up. Up, up, up.
Easy.
Oh. You're going to have to take the camera though.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I've messed up. Yeah.
Okay. Right, let's go over here. This is where we're going. So, looks like there's like a football pitch there. We're gonna run there. A quick run there. Okay, right. Going down is a real task. So, let's go down and see how we do. Right, so you've got an actual stairway here. So, I'm just gonna go for it. There's no railways, which is dangerous. There really should be railways, but it's fine. Okay, right. Whew. These stairs are really close together. Oh, doggy. It's cute. Ding, ding, ding. Kiss me on the cheek. Ah, we're here. Yeah. So we're here. This is our crib. But yeah, right. Let's look around. Okay guys, this is my POV. And we are climbing up here. Oh, squiggle! Oh look. Wow. That's so cute. The squirrels around here are so much nicer than the ones in my area. These stairs are really steep. Vocals there. Okay, right. Almost here. Whew. It's actually bad how unhealthy I am. There we go. Yes, I remember this place. It's kind of not very interesting when you're up here, but good picture opportunities, I suggest. So windy, so I'm not going to bother to talk, but this is nice. Nice little stream thing. Little moment. Oh, look at that. That's cool. That boat over there.
So you're saying that this way is where the ducks are and the swans in there?
Yeah, they're really, really cute.
Just down here?
Yeah, like, so you go down and then there's like the river, I guess. The ducks are here.
This way?
Yeah.
Right, be careful of these.
I will. I am.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Yeah, look. Oh, jeez. That was close.
Those little fluffy things.
I want to kidnap one, but this one will not be very happy.
No, they're vicious. The face doesn't look impressed, but you keep going in for more. Just come across this plaque for this place here. Very old indeed. Oh, runes. Oh, look at that little bench. Strike a pose. Nice. So what is this? This is Christchurch Castle.
So I can do my POV.
Yeah. Christchurch Castle and Norman House.
Oh, I need to stop eating.
The bells. it's abstract.
Nice to have a shop like that though, isn't it? With your own working.
There's a nice one of the.
Love that one.
Oh wow, yeah. God. They're very good, aren't they?
Yeah.
But look at this one here.
Yeah. What, the one over on the
I'm
wall?
going to go look
Yeah.
at wedding dresses. I think he's just died.
I hope he is on the opposite side and not on the side I'm on.
Yeah, he's dead.
Yeah, what have we found, Holly?
Carbonara place.
Show us.
Do we go here for dinner tomorrow?
No, we put that other one up
Yeah,
there. Nice.
Yeah, and it's only $12.50.
Why is it called that? Have they spelled it wrong? Surely,
Put your wives and stuff if they go to the hump and used to duck them in the river.
but wouldn't you be dunking?
I don't think that word existed. No.
That's what I used to do with witches. So if they dunked you and you survived, you was a witch, they'd burn you.
Yeah,
But if you died, you wasn't a witch and you was alright.
and you died.
Yeah.